Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? And pretty much what I have this time right here is an electrical toothbrush like last time, but this one's a little bit different. And on top of that, you guys actually get the whitening strips on here. So first thing first, let me actually unbox it to show you guys what comes out the package first before we test it out and show you guys what is on here that's different comparing this one to the older toothbrush I've showed you guys in the past. So all you kind of have to do is open this small little compartment in the bottom. They have this little part you guys can actually pull out. But here is what you guys get in here, you guys can see. So you guys got two extra toothbrush tips right here, so you guys can actually replace it if you guys finish using this one right here that's built in. Here is a little gift right here that they provide you that you can actually use. So there's in total of 4 different brush heads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is another one, but this one's different than these. So when you open this small little package right here, this is what you get inside. You can see it's like a small little tip, I guess, to kind of like really clean certain parts like inside your teeth, like in between there, you can see. And then for the 2 other toothbrush heads, if you guys can see right here, that's what it looks like. So you guys can actually remove it and replace it once you guys finish using the other one. Let me show you guys what else comes in the bottom of the package. So when I remove this layer right here, in the bottom they give you a USB charger right here to plug it in to charge the product. Here is a teeth whitening strip, and I believe they give you like 28 of them right here. But for me, I'm not gonna use this because I have sensitive teeth and it probably will affect my teeth in some way. So if you guys need the whitening strip, then definitely go for it and give it a try. And also just to let you guys know, like using this strip is not hard at all. You just open it up and kind of just apply it onto your teeth and then just have it on for a certain amount of time and then remove it. And you have to use all of them within a certain time frame. So for right here, they give you 28 strips, so you have to use it for a total of 2 weeks total if you guys are planning to use this. And if you guys are worried about the instruction, it's all on the packaging right here, if you guys can see. So all the instructions are right there. Peel, dry out, apply, 30 minutes, review, done. And last but not least, they provide you an instruction guide on how to use the product and all the different functionalities is on here. So that's basically everything that comes inside the bottom of the package. Now let's go back to the actual toothbrush itself to show us how it works and all the different functionality that's on there. Alright, so when we open the toothbrush, this is what it looks like if you guys can see right here. A little bit different design. I actually like this design a lot more than the older one that Dad sent me to kind of test it out for you guys. You guys can see they have the little brand right here, Fairywill. And then here's the power switch right here, and here's all the different modes on here. So they have a white mode, they have a clean mode, they have a sensitive teeth mode, a polishing mode, and a massage mode. And right here in the bottom, you can see that is the little logo to let you guys know when it's actually charging or not right there. But those are all the different modes on here. And then I believe how you guys charge it is by just plugging in the cable that they provide you. So the cable right here, all you have to do kind of like plug the USB somewhere else, and then plug this outlet right here to the bottom, and you guys can just start charging it. So this one's a little bit different than the other one that I've tested because, like, if you guys remember, they actually provided me like a charging dock to kind of like just put it in place to let it charge. For this one, you guys actually have to use a cable to kind of plug it in to actually use it. Second main difference is the mode. So the other ones that I've tested, they don't have like 3 different modes on here. This time they have 5 different modes on here. So all you have to do is press the button right here in the bottom, and that's how you guys kind of activate and use it. So right now it's on the white mode. So that's the cleaning mode. That's the sensitive teeth mode. That is the polishing mode, and that is the massage mode. So you guys can see the pattern on the toothbrush itself. That's what it kind of does. So literally all you have to do is kind of put it in the right place and then twist it to lock, unlock it, and then twist out. So it's not hard at all. It's really easy to use and really easy to apply and reuse the new one. And one thing I noticed is that this product is actually lighter than the older ones that I've tested as well, which is pretty cool. So as a first time perspective of kind of like seeing it and kind of like testing it out a little bit, you guys can definitely see that actually works really well. So now that we did the unboxing and kind of tested out a little bit, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So as a first hand perspective of kind of like testing it out and kind of using it, I would have to say that it's actually quite worth it, especially the fact that since I actually use many of the Fairywill products, ranging from like electric toothbrush to water flossers, I always had a good experience with all their products. They never really disappoint with their products. There's always good quality, works really well, brush your teeth really clean. I'll probably do like an update video to let you guys know how it's been and kind of like actually showing you guys how to actually brush your teeth with the product. And then let you guys know whether or not it's still worth it after like a week or not. It's hard for me to actually give you guys a first hand perspective of like using everything, because if I use it now, I could say it's worth it and clean everything, but I have to use it for like a week and a month and then let you guys know whether or not it's actually still worth it after using it for a long period of time. Because everything you guys use as a first hand perspective would be really worth it until you guys use it longer and then you guys find out that it's actually worth it or not. But pretty much to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it right now, I would have to say that it's actually quite worth it. Everything you guys get on here, like the whitening strips, the actual product itself, give you extra brush heads so you can actually replace it if anything goes wrong, or just contact the company and they'll probably send you a new one if there's something wrong with the product, because they always have your back. They want to make sure they provide like the best product for you guys. But I do recommend getting an electric toothbrush to kind of clean your teeth because it does make a difference when it comes to cleaning teeth compared to when you guys do it manually. But then obviously if you guys don't need this or don't want this or have no use for this, then save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys actually use their product from Fairywill, let me know in the comment section down below of which one's your favorite. If you guys like the 3-mode one, 5-mode one, or what is your favorite electric toothbrush. And then if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout of the day, we have